Hello everyone. 99% of people are using AI the wrong way. They are just writing prompts, but the top 1% are using AI to build apps, automate workflows, and run intelligent systems. In this video, I will show you how to do exactly by using new feature that is Gemini 3.1 Pro. Today, most of people use AI in a very simple way. They just open tool like ChatGPT or Gemini, write a prompt and wait for an answer. But the reality is prompting is just the beginning of what AI can actually do. In this video, I am going to show you how to go beyond prompting and truly master Gemini 3.1 Pro. Gemini is not just a chatbot. It can analyze massive amounts of data, build applications, automate research, generate images and videos, and even run autonomous AI workflows. In this presentation, I will walk you through powerful AI workflows used by advanced AI users and developers. So you will learn how to transform Gemini from a simple AI assistant into a powerful productivity and automation engine. If you are a developer, IT professional or business owner who wants to leverage AI for real world impact, this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. So let's dive in and explore how to truly master Gemini 3.1 Pro. Beyond prompting, mastering Gemini 3.1 Pro. So this slide shows that how to use Gemini 3.1 Pro like the top 1% of AI users. Instead of asking simple questions like write an email, you can actually make AI analyze use data, build applications, run research agents, automate work in the background. In this video, I will show you 8 powerful workflows that transform Gemini from a chatbot into an AI operating system for productivity. The telemetry of a fundamental leap. Before we jump into workflows, let's understand why Gemini 3.1 Pro is powerful. Three things makes it different. First is reasoning ability. Second is Gemini achieves around 77% reasoning performance, which means it can solve complex problems. Second is reduce hallucinations. Compared to many models, Gemini significantly reduces incorrect answers. Third is 1 million token context window. This means you can upload large document, entire code bases, long videos, and research papers, and Gemini can process them all at once. Now we will take a practical example. Imagine you are a developer, you upload a 500-page documentation, 10 YouTube videos, multiple code files. Gemini can analyze all of them together and generate accurate insights instantly. So next is the workflow evaluation metrics, tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So there are 3 levels of AI usage. Most people are stuck at level 1, tier 1, that is deep abstraction. In tier 1, using AI to analyze content, example uploading PDF and asking questions. In tier 2, interactive creation. You can use AI to create content in real life, example writing code, designing UI and generating images. And in tier 3, autonomous operations. This is where the real power lies. AI runs tasks automatically in the background. For example, automated research agents, schedule AI workflows, AI monitoring systems. Next is structuring the unstructured. What does exactly this means? Businesses generate a lot of messy data. For example, whiteboard notes, meeting discussions, scattered documents. So Gemini can convert this unstructured information into structured insights. We will take a practical example. Suppose you upload meeting notes, product discussion screenshots, Slack conversation. You will write the prompt as analyze these documents and create a project plan. So Gemini will generate task lists, dependencies, deadlines, risk alerts, and this saves your hours of manual planning. So next is the 1 million token context engine. This is one of the most powerful capabilities. Gemini can process huge amounts of information at once. For example, you can upload 10 YouTube videos, multiple documents, product documentation, and Gemini will generate summaries, comparisons, research insights. Now we will take a practical example, YouTuber workflow. You can upload 10 competitor videos. Prompt you can give as analyze these videos and tell me what topics perform best. Gemini will generate trending topics, content gaps, and viral strategies to develop. Next is precision rendering without compromise. Now Gemini is not only for text, it also supports image and video generation. For example, you upload an image with spelling mistake, so Gemini can fix the text, improve decisions, generate variations, and it can also create videos with synchronized audio automatically. Next is live co-creation in Canvas and build mode. This is extremely powerful for developers. Gemini can build applications live inside the Canvas interface. Instead of writing code manually, you just describe the app. We will take a practical example. You can give a prompt, build up Pomodoro timer app. So Gemini will generate UI, functionality, interactive buttons, so you can modify it instantly. Next is the autonomous research brain. This is where Gemini becomes an AI research assistant. Instead of manually searching Google for hours, you can run deep research queries. Now, so Gemini will search multiple sources, analyze large amounts of documents, generate structured reports. I will give you an example. Suppose you write a prompt, research the AI agent market and create a business strategy. Your output will perform like market analysis, competitor comparison. Third is opportunity areas. Example I can give you as check my calendar, summarize important emails and draft emails. So Gemini will analyze inbox, summarize messages, prepare responses. This can save your time 30 to 60 minutes every day. Next is perpetual intelligence, gems and scheduling. The biggest shift is this. AI should not wait for you. It should work in the background automatically. For example, every Monday you can check industry news, analyze competitors and send reports. The next is capability divide, the 99% workflow, the 1% 3.1 Pro workflow. Now, what exactly this slide means? Now, this slide describes there is a difference between the 99% workflows and the 1% 3.1 Pro workflows. What is the difference between them? Most people use AI like this: copy paste text, basic prompts, manual research. But the top AI use AI like this. But the top 1% use AI like this: autonomous agents. Second, I can say you that real-time app creation. You can use it for automated workflows. So next is the master architecture. The future of AI is not prompting. The future is automation. So instead of asking questions all day, you should build AI system that exactly work for you. This is how the top AI engineers and companies operate. So stop promoting, start automating with AI. Okay, so we have learned how exactly Gemini 3.1 Pro works, and it is very amazing. And if you want more videos on AI agents, AI automation, and AI business system, so subscribe to the channel. On my YouTube channel, I share practical AI workflows used by top developers and companies. So, and if you want AI training or AI consulting, so I have given my mail ID in the comment box and description, so you can mail me on that. Thank you.